Right, we've come back into Centro because Mel went in on her own this morning. There's only supposed to be one person from a family designate themselves to go in and do any shopping.
Do a panic buying.
Yeah. So Mel's come back and said the panic buying started, Chris, we should go and do a video. There's lines outside of shops and people's buying more than just the normal grocery shopping on the whole. So
you need patience, okay?
they've stopped the jeepneys, they've stopped the trikes allegedly, although we are still seeing them riding about. They shouldn't be picking up passengers apparently. There's the Pajaks are allowed to keep running, but there's a certain time they have to stop. What did he say? Huh?
Uy, hello!
Hello!
Saan ka? Panic buying ka man! Yamin! Ay, bagas! Ako, baka kayo balaw! She said she was gonna buy dried fish.
Oh my God! Yeah, well, there's still stalls, Mel. I thought you said there was not supposed to be any stalls today.
Yeah.
So why is there still stalls? Huh? You don't know?
Hi.
Bye-bye. Yeah, there's some few stalls empty, guys. Here, look. These are normally full, selling stuff. The guy who does the eggs, the cheap eggs, you know, the little quail eggs, he's not here. Huh?
Stay square? Or we just walk around first and look there?
Well, we've got to think of what we want and how heavy it's going to be and how we get everything together. Because we want a couple...
We just buy, corned beef first. On the
Yeah, because we can leave it there, order the rice, leave it there, then get them to take it to the Pajak. So even though there's guidelines on what they should be doing, and we're breaking them guidelines because I shouldn't be with Mel, people are still out together. So the panic buying started, guys. I said on my live stream, yeah, there's masks there, look, which are no good. I said on my live stream that this would happen, and one or two people were saying I was creating panic by saying that. I wasn't creating panic, I was simply stating a fact. See, the prices haven't increased yet, but they will do. And people will realise this wasn't like this yesterday. So Mel's already got me coffee and coffee, mate. You'll have to ask them for a box, Mel. Just get a box. Find out where it is and just ask them to give you a box. You what? So guys, we've come here to buy some rice and they've run out of rice. That's the last sack there, look. So I knew this would happen, and it's happened.
Macaroni, sarong.
We're in the Pickles Mall and we want to buy eggs, and as you can see, panic buying of the eggs as well. So we've got one here, but she's running out pretty fast. Next one to her, he's only got the 7 peso eggs. The egg prices have gone up a little bit per egg. So she'll be very happy. I bet this is the best business day she's ever had. So we bought some canned corned beef. We bought some noodles. We're going to buy some pasta because we've got lots of pasta sauce in the fridge. Kids nappies, milk. It should keep us going for, when we're finished, I'm hoping about 6 weeks. Next we've got to buy some water, haven't we, babe? I want to get some water built up, some drinking water. So we're waiting for the eggs. He's frying them all up. They're doing big business today. People's panic eating as well, aren't they? Fattening themselves up for a few days.
Very busy today than yesterday, right?
Oh yeah, there was no panic buying yesterday.
Because I think last night they mentioned President Duterte gonna be locked down.
Yeah, it is. It's coming. I can see that. You know, next it's going to be you can't leave your homes for 30 days, something like that.
Still hasn't been able to eat.
Let's go and get the hot dogs then, babe, while we're waiting there.
Ba't ka na kami, kuya?
So guys, you know what I feel about dried fish, don't you? That I normally move past it pretty quickly to stop me throwing up. Well, apparently if you get dried fish it lasts a very long time. You don't have to freeze it or anything like that, it won't go off. Now whether that's true or not I don't know, but we're going to get the hot dogs. This isn't where we normally get them, Mel, is it? Huh? This isn't where we normally get them.
Skip here after.
Yeah, but they've been frozen. If they thaw out, you can't refreeze them.
By 2.
Yeah. We need the frozen ones.
May frozen ka mo kayo? Yes po, this is frozen po ito, ma'am. It's frozen.
Yeah, well, we need 2. Do I?
This one, I'll give you the frozen.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome. Good long. It is already jumbo. Ano pa? Yun. You want ham?
No, it's alright, babe. With ham you need bread and we'll probably not be able to get any fresh bread. And we can't put anything in the freezer, there's too much in already. We'll be alright if the power gets cut off, won't we? The internet company, guys, Converge, that we're with, says anybody that doesn't pay the bills on time, they won't be cut off until after all this is over. So, because you can't go to the office to pay anymore, you've got to go into a store and pay on the machine, haven't you, Mel?
Yeah. 334. 169 po sa Thunder Juice Savior Foods.
Oh, great.
morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.